Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Let's build something.
Let's build this mighty Morphin Power Ranger by Hasbro. I got this from Five Below for $5. It's a pedal bike construction set, so I just want another motorcycle for my city. There are 4 different options. They only had the one at my Five Below, so that's all I bought. It's from Hasbro. So let's build this. Looks like we got a lot of stickers here. Okay, there's my parts. It's a blue bicycle. So let's start from step 1. Step 1 is our motorcycle. Step 2, we're going to make 2 wheels for the motorcycle. So let's see. There we are. We have 2 wheels. I have to pry these apart, and it's a little bit of a struggle. But they're going to hold in good when they're in there. Just pry it apart. Okay. Okay. This is warning. This is a struggle. There we go. Basically, it looks like a motorcycle already. So now we're going to pretty much start putting accessories on it. Let's see if I can tell how to do this. Step 1 should be my 2x3. Oh, this is hard to see what I'm picking out parts. Alright, I should have 2. Just the color is so dark, it's kind of see the detail looking at this. And I'm assuming 2 of these. So 1. Okay. Turned it upside down. Put that on. Oh man. Ay. It is. How am I doing this? It is difficult. Okay. Trying to. Okay, I'm assuming that goes. Okay. I cannot tell what I am doing. Boy, it is so hard to see what I am doing. I really want to try to make the colors look like it, but it is difficult to see what I am doing. Okay. And that piece keeps falling off. That piece keeps falling off. Okay, warning. This is the first time I've had parts that just don't go together. This some parts seem to be too tight to push together, and some parts seem to be too loose. Now I'm getting myself frustrated. Because that should have been there. Putting it, try to put it back together the way it was, from what I can tell. Now that. Well, when I put it in my city, I have a feeling I'm going to build it differently than they do, because I am guessing at what I am doing here. You cannot tell in the picture, is that a piece with 2 studs? Is that a jumper? Is that a plate? I cannot tell. So I definitely won't be buying any more of these. That piece keeps falling off. I don't know what piece, man. It's falling apart. It's so falling apart. I bought alternate bricks before, but I've never had struggle like this. Oh my gosh. We are struggling, and I did this one wrong. It's supposed to be the rounded one, I guess. But something's got to hold this together. Because the pieces are falling off constantly. I don't think this is worth $5 I paid for it. Alright, 1 by 4. Then I'm going to guess this has 2 studs. Then I'm going to need another one of these pieces. And then I can add a jumper to the front of it. And then I can add a white. And okay. Supposed to have some clear stud. Well, I'll try later, see if I can find that clear stud. I guess I'll try later, see what parts are left. Okay. No. It's going to be a long video, and if you turn away, I'll have to put a link at the end to try to get to my review, because this piece will never stay on. This is a struggle. Where am I at? Okay, upside down piece, step 1, step 2, okay, step 3, step 4, I don't know what step 4 is. Okay, step 4, and then guess a piece with a long angle and a tile on top. And then what does this go over? Alright, so that piece is never staying on. Okay. I skipped step 7 and 8. What? Alright. 7. I guess I'm building like a kickstand. Okay. A nice kickstand there. Frustration is setting in. Okay, I got the kickstand. And on the side, I'm going to take this and put that on this. Okay, pieces are falling apart. Let's see, they don't give you any instructions how to build a person, so I guess we guess at how to build a person. Nope. Nope. No instructions on how to build a person. It's a guesswork. It's a guesswork. Okay. That would be a body, I guess. Then we gotta put on what looks like, oops, put the body on backwards. Then arms. Okay. Okay, we put on some arms. And I broke or not? Nope, it's just extra plastic. I didn't break it. They just didn't cut the plastic off properly. So there's the other arm. Faceless person. Okay, I got extra parts, so let's see. I guess, yeah. They showed me how to put this on. Oh, step 9. Okay, that's my fault. So let's get the other part on. Okay. So I guess this was a headlight, this little white one. So I'll put that back on. Okay, got these 2 little number 1s here. And let's see. Am I missing where I should have used them? Okay, I should have used them in step 5, but where in step 5? Where, oh where did they use them in step 5? I don't see them. I don't see where I'm supposed to use these in step 5. Alright. Step 5 is the back. No, where is step 5? My. Alright, let's pull this all back off. Fall apart. So step 5, I guess, okay, step 5, I should have used these 2 little white dots here, I guess. It's so hard to tell. I don't know. I'm just guessing at this. Still don't know where this goes then. Alright, that goes on the front of this. Oh, yeah. Okay, that goes on the front of that. Then I can put that on. Then I put these pieces on. Put that back on. That back on. Everything falls apart. Everything falls apart. Yay. Let's try this all over. It's like, how long is this thing? It's a 16 minutes of garbage. Okay, I'm going to start calling this a review. Don't buy this. I'm not even putting stickers on. I'm done. This is my Mighty Morphin Power Ranger worthless battle bike. Look, parts are just falling off. That don't even hang on. Instructions are kind of difficult because you can't tell if you're using parts. That falls off, that falls off, that falls off. So let's do something different. Let's build my own bicycle. Okay, there's so much crappy parts on this thing. I'm not going to use what they have here. Let's see. I call it quits. Let's not build a Mighty Morphin Power Ranger bicycle.
Thanks from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again, please like and subscribe.